Alright, I'm back here at this furnace. I don't think it's working. I got that switch for it. I don't think so. Three blinks. Same thing as before. The switch is bad. I got another one. I was able to find the exact switch. No longer made, but I was able to find one, so let's see if we can get it out of there. Got one screw there. Got a couple of screws loose, Mama. Got a couple of screws loose, Mama. I got the same one. I did get the same one. Looks like that. That's the way I had it. That's the way they had it with the ground wire. Ground wire like that. On the top. So, that one had a little plug in it for some reason. I did it, yeah. Got the water coming out of it. See the flipping water coming out? See the water coming out of it? That could be our issue there. She's choking, Mama. See if it works now. Full of flipping. Full of flip water. Let's try that. See what happens there. See if it works. Meet rocket science. That switch is no good. How many blinks? Same thing, 3 blinks. That seems a little loosey-goosey, that fucker. She seemed a little loosey-goosey there. Oh, she's not pulling in. Or is she? 27. Not pulling in for some reason. Might have a bad vacuum switch there. This switch is no good. It says burner enclosure. So it's backwards. I got it backwards. See what the other one was too. Collector box. Burner enclosure. This one says collector box, and that's burner enclosure. So the burner enclosure should be, let me try switching it around. It's not. Collector box. Burner enclosure. Collector box is up here. It's collector box, and burner enclosure is up here. Let's try that. See if that works. Maybe I had it backwards. Maybe I had it backwards. According to the label, and I do. The other one was the other way. I don't know why the other one was backwards. Let's see if it works. I'll make sure we're tight on that wire in there. Let's see if that works. Working now. 27. It's kind of weird. The other one was backwards. Collector box and burner enclosure. The burner enclosure one was the one that had water in it. Anyway, it should work now. Burner enclosure. That's the burner enclosure. And then that's the collector box. And the bottom is the collector box. We'll give that a run. We'll give that a run for its money. Kind of weird, the other one was in backwards and it was working. Go figure. Partially working, I should say. I do have another switch here, another one that I bought also, have in the truck. Yeehaw! Replace vacuum pressure switch. She's a runner.